Welcome to Pacbrake Garage. Today we are going to install one of our basic triple train horn kits on a 2006 Freightliner Columbia Toterhome that belongs to Brody Goble. Brody is a professional race car driver competing in the Formula Drift Championship and uses this truck and trailer to travel all across North America from one drift event to another. We are extremely excited to partner with him on this project. Pacbrake offers its PacPro Air Horn kits in the basic version. These are for those with existing onboard air. There is also a premium version that comes with compressor, air tank, and all other accessories needed for a complete install. Please note some municipalities do not allow the use of air horns on passenger vehicles. Check the regulations in your area before installing this kit. This Freightliner truck already has an onboard air supply, so it doesn't need an additional compressor and air tank. It also has a factory air horn, which makes this install an under 1 hour project. The first step to the installation is to pick a mounting location for the air horn. Considerations to look for are a sturdy surface that can be fastened with and ease of access to air lines. Mark the 3 mounting holes of the air horn and drill 1/4-inch holes through the surface. Insert the included screws and washers through the holes and mount the air horn with the included rubber gasket. Fasten the air horn with the included nuts and washers. Fasten the included NPT air fitting to the air horn. In our demonstration truck, we disconnected the existing air line to the OEM horn and routed it to our PacPro train horn. Secure any loose air lines with the included cable ties. Congratulations, you've just completed the install of your PacPro train horn kits. Our kit offers a huge improvement over many OEM horns. In our demonstration truck, the PacPro triple train horn gained 20 decibels over the OEM horn, which translates to being 100 times louder. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the limited warranty on your air horns. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with our amp air compressors or air tanks. To stay up to date with all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.